Karon ato ang tan-aw ni kadong hugna sa interview sa akong partner kang Kapuso star Alden Richards.
Alden, career talk muna tayo ngayon kasi 10th year anniversary mo ngayon, di ba, this year. Congratulations sa na 10 years ka na sa show business. How do you feel about reaching this milestone?
10 years, parang now looking back, ang ganun na pala kabilis yung 10 years ngayon. Wala ako sigurong ire-regret na nagawa ko dun sa past 10 years kasi although kahit pa mabuti or masamang bagay yung pinagdaanan ko, it made me who I am now. Yung 10 years na yun really counts for me is the projects that I've done. And moreover that yung mga taong natulungan natin in that 10 years because of our career. Ang sarap lang niyang tingnan na, may napag-graduate ka na, meron kang nabigyan ng konting puhunan, and then ito na yung business nila ngayon. Alam mo yun, parang, wow, I'm really grateful to the Lord for this career that I have.
This time, throwback muna tayo to one of your visits here in Cebu 5 years ago sa isang mall for a GMA Regional TV show. It was your Kapuso Fans Day doon sa Lapu-Lapu City. At naiyak ka doon. Nandun ako nung nakita mo yung maraming Cebuano fans mo. It was a really huge crowd. Looking back, how do you feel na sobra kang minahal and still minamahal ka ng mga fans mo?
The people, when you see people like that and when you feel the love, parang syempre yung effort na pupuntahan ka nila dun sa venue kung saan ka nag-show, parang that's really more than anything. Di ko naman imagine na parang kaya kong magawa yun sa isang crowd before. Parang dati nga, mall-mall lang tayo, but dun parang isang buong parking lot yata yan na mahaba. So, wala, I'm really out of words sa mga ganong klaseng moments, and papasalamat ako sa mga kapuso natin sa Cebu na every time I go there, the support is always there and the love is always there. Kaya masarap bumalik sa when there is love in a certain place, you always keep on coming back. So yun yung naramdaman ko whenever I always go to Cebu. Aside from the napakasarap ng pagkain. The people, it's really the Cebuanos and all over Visayas. Ganun yung nagiging experience ko pag pumupunta ako sa.
Cebu is also very memorable to you kasi dito yung first trip mo outside Manila, di ba? And kasama ka ng GMA Regional TV. What made your first trip to Cebu very unforgettable, Alden?
Well, number one, yun yung pinakaunang business trip class ko. If I can recall it correctly, first lipad ko yun, ang dami-dami ko pang dala. Overnight lang naman kami, so parang yun. And of course, parang paglabas ko, nung tinawag na yung pangalan ko on stage, nagulat ako na parang, ba't nila ako kilala? Bago lang ako, parang ganun. So, siguro yun yung isa sa mga qualities ng mga Cebuano talaga na madali silang magmahal kapag pinapakitaan sila ng effort ng isang tao.
Alden, you've been so blessed with your showbiz career. Itong mga acting and hosting projects mo, sunod-sunod yung mga endorsements mo, and of course, very successful yung mga businesses na pinasok mo. What's next for you? We're eager to know yung plans and directions mo.
Well, for now, syempre more movies. Parang since ang dami na rin natin nagawang projects before, of course, binabaon ko yung mga knowledge ko about it to create a better story. Sa ngayon, ano pa bang plano ko? Yun, gaming. I'm really enjoying my gaming activity now, yung game streaming. Since nawala nga muna yung mall shows and mga out of towns and out of the countries, parang it's a way of connecting with your fans and supporters in a way na safe pa rin sila. Yun, siguro more hosting ng mga docu-films. Grabe. Yun yung isa sa mga discover ko na parang, wow, sarap maging documentary host. So, more projects like that.
Sana nga, more projects like that din for you. Pero Alden, pag-usapan natin, kasi hindi naging madali yung pagpasok mo sa industry. Within that 10 years, ano yung biggest challenge mo na na-overcome mo bilang artista?
Siguro yung nung nagsa-start ako, yung pakikibagay sa mga tao, doon ako medyo nahirapan. Kasi in this industry, alam naman natin na medyo yung dark side ng industry is you really don't know who to trust. But parang ang natutunan ko doon is really kung ano yung mga moral values na kinalakihan mo at natutunan mo at growing up, you just have to hold on to that and yung faith mo sa Diyos.
Sa dinami-daming mga highs and lows na pinagdaanan mo, what's the best thing that really happened to you, Alden?
Yung being able to inspire people with the projects that I make. Isa yun sa mga nagpupush sa akin to do more and to be more as an actor, as a person. Parang with the influence that I have acquired all throughout these years, parang yun talaga yung greatest advocacy ko, and ambassador din tayo ng Spread Kindness ng GMA Regional TV.
And before we end this interview, ano yung mensahe mo and your thank you message din sa mga Kapuso viewers natin?
Sooner or later, pagtatawanan na lang natin yung mga memories na nangyari sa pandemic, and pag nalagpasan natin to, it will be more of a benefit to us because we became stronger as human beings. Yun, sana makabalik na ako ng Cebu, tsaka saan man dyan sa Visayas kasi eroplano na ako.
Same with us here. We miss you na dito sa Cebu, Alden. So thank you talaga at sinamahan mo kami this morning and for giving us the much needed inspiration.
Thank you.
Sama sa giingon ni Alden in God's time, mga Kapuso, matubag ra gayud ang atong mga giampo kay prayers are always powerful. O ginaot mga Kapuso nga pinaagi ning interview, nakahatag gini og inspirasyon kaninyong tanan to jumpstart your day. And for exclusive online drama, comedy and musical content, just visit www.gmanetwork.com/gets for more videos kauban ng imong paboritong Kapuso star. Og mubalik pa mi, so tutok lang dinhi sa GMA Regional TV Live.